Today in Revive, we're going to be doing a procedure called PRP hair restoration. We're going to be using it with the JetPeel machine and this JetPeel hand adapter. This hand adapter allows us to administer the JetPeel, the PRP, through the JetPeel handpiece without a needle at the depth of a needle. It's completely painless, it's needle-free, and it allows us to cover the surface of the scalp and get to the follicles with a PRP. We are going to demonstrate for you today how it works. To start the procedure, we're going to prepare the scalp by exfoliating it with the detox water from the JetPeel. By allowing the scalp to be exfoliated, it makes it the healthiest environment for the PRP.
We're exfoliating his head with the triple nozzle JetPeel using the Jet Detox water and making his scalp clean and the perfect environment to absorb the platelet-rich plasma.
Centrifuge, which is the best centrifuge on the market. You need to obtain 60 ml of blood. So I'm going to get this blood right now. There's an anticoagulant already in the tube. The 60 mLs of the blood, we're going to put it in this canister for the first spin of a double spin with the M-site centrifuge. Of the centrifuge, M-site centrifuge, is for 1.5 minutes. This is the result after the first spin at 1.5 minutes. We're going to remove the platelets and we're going to leave the red blood cells that we don't need. And then we'll re-spin it for a double spin for 5 minutes. Moved the red blood cells and we have the platelets. I'm going to do the second spin for 5 minutes and highly concentrate it even. Now we've done the double spin and I'm going to remove the platelet poor plasma. Leaving us with 4 mLs of highly concentrated PRP. So this is the platelet-rich, highly concentrated PRP. This is the handpiece for the JetPeel, and what this will do with the JetPeel machine, it will break down this PRP into microdroplets that allow it to be infused into the skin at get to the follicles without a needle. Completely needleless system, very pain-free, no numbing required, very comfortable procedure. And now we're going to show you how it works. Thanks for watching us do the needleless PRP hair restoration with the JetPeel machine.
Come visit us at Revive and check the link for details.